Hydrates. What are hydrates? An element combines with another element to form compounds. Similarly, hydrogen combines with another elements to form hydrates. So, hydrogen may combine with electropositive element as well as electronegative element and forms hydrates. So, hydrates are classified into two types, binary hydrates and ternary hydrates. What are binary hydrates? So, in these hydrates, hydrogen combine with highly electropositive element to form the hydrates. So, what are the examples for electropositive elements? Alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. So, in the binary hydrates, the hydrogen exists as H minus ion and the metal exists as cation. For example, in lithium hydride, lithium exists as lithium plus ion and hydrogen exists as H minus ion. And then in ternary hydrates, hydrogen is combined with two metals. One of these metal is alkali metal. For example, lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. In lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen combines with aluminum and lithium. So, lithium is the alkali metal. In sodium borohydride, hydrogen combines with boron and sodium. So, sodium is the alkali metal. So, in ternary hydrates, so hydrogen is combined with two metals, one of these metal is alkali metal. So, on the basis of the bonding in hydrates, hydrates are classified into three types. One is ionic hydride, another one is covalent hydride, the third one is metallic hydride. So, we discuss one by one. The first one is ionic hydrates or saline hydrates. In these hydrates, hydrogen combines with highly electropositive elements like alkali metals and alkaline earth metals to form the hydrates. For example, lithium combines with hydrogen to form lithium hydride. So, in these hydrates, ionic bond is present between hydrogen and lithium. What is meant by ionic bond? So, ionic bond is formed between two elements by the transfer of electron from one element to another element. So, in lithium hydride, ionic bond is present between lithium and hydrogen. So, lithium exists as Li plus ion and hydrogen exists as H minus ion. So, lithium gives an electron to hydrogen and it exists as Li plus ion and hydrogen exists as H minus ion, that is hydride ion. So, how the ionic hydrates are prepared? By heating the electropositive elements such as alkali metals and alkaline earth metals with hydrogen to about 400 degrees Celsius. These hydrates are having high melting point, they are crystalline in form, they are salt like nature. So, now let us discuss the second type of hydrate, covalent hydrates. So, what are covalent hydrates? How is it formed? So, covalent hydrates are formed between hydrogen and highly electronegative elements such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. So, in the covalent hydrates, there is a covalent bond between hydrogen and the other element. What is covalent bond? So, covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the atom. In covalent hydrates, there is a covalent bond between hydrogen and the other element. The covalent hydrates are classified into three types: electron precise hydrates, electron deficient hydrates, electron rich hydrates. So, we discuss one by one. Electron precise hydrates. So, what is the example for it? That methane, ethane, etc. So, look at the electron dot formula for methane. So, before going to discuss the dot formula, we must know octet rule. What is meant by octet rule? An atom tends to lose or gain or share electrons to attain the 8 electron structure in its outermost shell. So, see the dot formula for methane. So, around the carbon atom there are 8 electrons. Therefore, it is an example for electron precise hydride. The next hydrate, electron deficient hydrate. What is the example for that? Diborane. What is the formula? B2H6. It is the dimeric form of BH3, boron trihydrate. In boron trihydrate, there are 6 electrons around the boron atom. It is electron deficient. Therefore, diborane is an example for electron deficient hydrate. The next type of hydrate, electron rich hydrates. What are the examples? Ammonia, water, etc. In ammonia molecule, there are 8 electrons around the nitrogen atom. Among the 8 electrons, 6 electrons are involved in bond formation. There is extra pair of electron which is not involved in the bond formation. Therefore, it is known as electron rich molecule or electron rich hydrate. Covalent hydrate molecules are small molecules. They are having low melting point, low boiling point or volatile liquids, weak forces of attraction between the covalent hydrate molecules. Now, let us discuss about the third type of hydrate, metallic hydrate. How the metallic hydrates are obtained? So, it is prepared from either metals or from the metal alloys. On passing hydrogen over the metal hydrates or metallic hydrates are obtained. So, these are the metal atoms. There is a gap between the atoms. When hydrogen is passed over the metal, the hydrogen gas occupies the voids between the atoms. So, metallic hydrates are unstable. On heating, hydrogen is evolved from the voids. Most of the metallic hydrates are non-stoichiometric. For example, TiH 1.5 to 1.8. What is the difference between stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric? For example, water is a covalent hydrate in which hydrogen and oxygen is present in definite ratio. In the case of titanium hydrate or palladium hydrate, there is no definite ratio between the metal and the hydrogen. So, metallic hydrates are thermally unstable. On heating, hydrogen is evolved from the surface of the metal. Therefore, the metallic hydrates are useful to store the hydrogen. So far we discussed about what are hydrates, what are the kinds of hydrates or what are the classes of hydrates, how are they prepared and what are the properties of hydrates. Are you okay?